Hi, I'm Kathy Hilton. I have been a customer of Authorized Vac and Sew for years and years, and I absolutely love embroidery and quilting and all of the staff and people here. So it delights me to be able to teach classes here. I absolutely love it. It is one of my very favorite happy places. Been doing this since 2008, and I have a wonderful sewing room, and it has wonderful machines in it, but my favorite machine is my Luminaire. I just got that a year and a half ago, and I love it. So if you need a great embroidery machine, come over, see them. I know they have all kinds of special prices here, and we love Authorized Vac and Sew. This is my first class since we've been in lockdown, and it is Serenity Prayer by Anita Good Design. My first class is today. There's another class for it to finish it, but if you would like to do this, please come join us. It is gorgeous. This particular sample we did as tone on tone. It's one of Veronica's absolute favorites, and she picked all the colors. I do have them all written down for you, and I would love to have you come join us for Serenity Prayer. This is my next class, Secret Garden. There's 4 different panels. You can see them all hanging in the store, but this happens to be my favorite panel of the 4. There's so many interesting characters in here, and you can do it in so many different colors. You just need, like, I think 8 fat quarters and thread to match, and you can have your very own secret garden. It's easy to sew out, and it's easy to sew together, and you can have a beautiful wall hanging in your home, or give it to somebody. This is Amazing Grace. This has to be one of the favorite projects I've done this year. After making over, 600 masks, I needed something to refresh myself. And this happens to be one of my favorite hymns, and I couldn't wait to sew it out. You can make it any color you want, you can frame it however you want, but after our COVID, I needed to feel a little blessed, and this was my blessing. So come join me in this one-day class, and you can have your very own Amazing Grace.